Hello everyone, welcome back to Diabtron. Did you know what's healthy? What if I told you some of your favorite foods might be silently damaging one of your most vital organs, your kidneys? From that comforting bowl of noodles to your morning cereal, these everyday foods could be doing more harm than good. Today, we're uncovering 7 surprising foods that are secretly putting your kidneys at risk. The kidneys are two bean shaped organs responsible for filtering waste, excess water, and toxins from the blood, which are excreted as urine. Each kidney contains nephrons, tiny filtering units that help maintain the body's fluid and electrolyte balance. They also regulate blood pressure by releasing hormone renin and produce erythropoietin, which stimulates red blood cell production. Additionally, kidneys activate vitamin D for bone health and help maintain the body's acid base balance. Proper kidney function is essential for overall health, as they support various vital processes and prevent the buildup of harmful substances in the body. Potential signs of kidney disease or damage include fatigue, swelling in the legs or ankles, changes in urination, such as frequency or color, blood in urine, and persistent itching. You might also experience nausea, loss of appetite, or muscle cramps. High blood pressure and difficulty concentrating can also be symptoms. If these signs persist, it's important to consult a healthcare professional for evaluation. Expanding on the list of 7 foods that can damage the kidneys. 1. Instant noodles. Instant noodles often contain tertiary butylhydroquinone or TBHQ, a preservative that can be toxic to the kidneys when consumed in large amounts or over time. TBHQ is used to extend shell life but can lead to oxidative stress in the cells, including those in the kidneys, which are responsible for filtering and detoxifying the blood. Additionally, instant noodles are typically high in sodium, which can elevate blood pressure, a risk factor for kidney disease. Excessive sodium intake forces the kidneys to work harder, potentially leading to long-term damage. 2. Foods with high artificial dyes. Brightly colored candies like Skittles often contain synthetic food dyes, such as Red 40, Yellow 5, and Blue 1. These dyes are controversial because they may increase inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, which over time can harm the kidneys. Some studies suggest that long-term consumption of large amounts of food dyes may exacerbate kidney issues, especially in individuals who already have compromised kidney function. While more research is needed, avoiding artificial additives is generally wise for overall health. 3. Fried chicken. Fried chicken, especially when prepared with seed oils like soybean or canola oil, can lead to the formation of advanced glycation end products or AGEs due to the combination of high heat and sugar-laden breading. AGEs contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress, which can impair kidney function. Additionally, fried foods are typically high in trans fats, which have been linked to increased inflammation throughout the body, putting extra strain on the kidneys, especially when consumed regularly. 4. Commercial breads. Many types of mass-produced commercial bread contain potassium bromate, a chemical used to improve dough strength and elasticity. Potassium bromate has been linked to kidney damage and even kidney cancer in animal studies. Overconsumption of bread with potassium bromate could increase the risk of kidney problems. Furthermore, commercial bread often contains high levels of sodium, another ingredient that can put undue stress on the kidneys, particularly in people prone to high blood pressure. 5. Sodas. Soda, especially dark colas, contain phosphoric acid, which can contribute to the formation of kidney stones and other kidney problems. Additionally, soda is extremely high in sugar, which increases the risk of type 2 diabetes, a major contributor to kidney disease. Even diet sodas, despite lacking sugar, contain artificial chemicals that may negatively affect the kidneys over time. 6. Agave syrup. Though often marketed as healthier alternative to sugar, agave syrup is high in fructose, which is difficult for the body to process. Fructose puts considerable stress on both the liver and kidneys. Over time, a diet high in fructose can lead to a non-alcoholic fatty liver disease or NAFLD, which may impair kidney function as well. High fructose intake also increases the risk of insulin resistance, which can contribute to metabolic syndrome and diabetes, both of which have direct links to kidney damage. 7. Cereals. Many breakfast cereals, especially those marketed to children, are packed with refined sugar, refined starch, and seed oils. These ingredients can lead to insulin resistance and spikes in the blood sugar, both of which are detrimental to kidney health. Moreover, many cereals are sprayed with glyphosate, a pesticide that has been controversial due to its potential toxic effects on human health. The combination of refined ingredients and potential chemical residues makes these cereals harmful to kidney function over time. These 7 foods, when consumed in excess or regularly, may contribute to long-term kidney damage. Reducing or eliminating these items from your diet can help protect kidney function, particularly for those at higher risk of kidney disease or related conditions such as hypertension and diabetes. To improve kidney health, stay hydrated, maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and limit salt, sugar, and processed foods. Regular exercise, controlling blood pressure and blood sugar, and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol are also key to supporting healthy kidney function. Now that you know the hidden dangers lurking in everyday foods, it's time to take control of your health. Protect your kidneys by making smarter food choices, and your body will thank you in the long run. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, and if you're ready for more health tips, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss an update. What food surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay healthy!